Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. So in today's video we are going to take a close look at this Sonic the Hedgehog custom made bar top. I found this here in the shop of Dragonfly Amusement and I was thinking maybe this is fun to show you. I'm a big Sonic fan and I find this thing really cool. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, because we have a lot of great stuff coming up. So let's do a quick tour and I'm going to show you what are we going to get. Let's talk about the buttons and the joystick. The joystick here, the wiggly cheap joystick we can find in many of these systems, and the basic cheap Chinese buttons. We're having at the right the starter select. If we press both of them we're going to back in the main menu, because this is a Raspberry Pi. Yes people, so this thing runs on a Raspberry Pi, like the Neo Geo cabinet I have reviewed before. But let's take a close look at the back, because this is very familiar. If you look at the Neo Geo cabinet I've reviewed in 2019, the way this thing has been built is exactly the same. So that's really funny. As you can see, it's very basic. Due of the Raspberry Pi, we are going to need a little bit of a power divider. As you can see over here, we have a separate power supply for the Raspberry Pi that is laying over here. As you can see, there is no extra cooling on this device, so that is a little bit of a bummer, to be honest. And here at the back we can find two little speakers, the same like the Neo Geo cabinet. And I must say they are pretty loud. But I can't see any amplifier for it. But if you take a close look at the menu, this is the comic edition. It looks really good. And I understand why they are using the Raspberry Pi as a main board. It's very customizable and you can add very easily new book games, emulators, and if you want to build yourself an arcade machine, it's very easy to do. And not to forget the emulator part, it is also very nice. If you look at the different versions that the Retro Pi is supporting, it is also possible to install Recalbox for example. But again, the Raspberry Pi, or better said the Retro Pi, it's going to give you a lot of different options if it comes to emulation. Combination of the blue letters for Sonic the Hedgehog and the white color, I really like it. The decal of the Sonic the Hedgehog is very nice, high quality, crisp and clear. The marquee is not light up, so that's a little bit of a bummer. You can see this little space between the screen and the marquee. But if you look at the control panel, the side, everything, I must say in general it's not bad at all, and I really love what they did with this. The Sonic the Hedgehog arcade machine, I like it, the decals and everything. So let's take a close look at the games and how are they running. And for the people wondering what kind of games are we going to test, sorry guys, it's a Sonic cabinet and we're only going to try out Sonic games. So buckle up and let's test them all out. je voorstellen, toen zat je de hele dagen in het doen. En dan denk ik, nee, nu. Alright, so this is what we're going to get with the Sonic the Hedgehog arcade machine. I really love this cabinet simply because I'm a big Sonic fan. Guilty, I'm guilty, yeah. I'm just a fanboy that really likes this cabinet, and that's the main reason also what I wanted to show you here on the channel. I really love the monitor itself. As you can see, it's got a very nice view angle. It's very colorful. What kind of brand it is, I have really no clue. I couldn't find any information. It's a very weird Chinese brand, but nevertheless, yeah, the marquee is a little bit of a bummer that it didn't light up, but in general, if you look at the sticker quality, it's not bad at all. It's a very thick vinyl sticker, but yeah, and I really love the layout. It's a little bit damaged, the cabinet, because it's already a used cabinet. And if you look at the way how he made it with this white cabinet and the blue stickers, I really love the contrast. I really love the combination of this sticker set. So the Raspberry Pi, again, I really understand why they are using it. It's very easy to build in cabinet, and with the comic style that you're seeing here, the menu, it looks beautiful. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, become one of the Wicked family, because we have a lot of awesome products coming in. A lot of different products like portable systems, arcade machines, custom arcade machine, and if I can find something pretty awesome, I wanted to show you here on the channel. Right, so if you're interested in arcade cabinets in general, you can always contact Dragonfly Amusement. Maybe he has a really cool cabinet for you. This is just one of a kind product. He had this thing laying around in the store, and I just wanted to show you here on the channel because I was thinking it's a really fun idea. So again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell. It would be great because that means I will see you in my next video.